All right, guys. Let's do this GitHub airdrop process. I think they will soon distribute the airdrop, and they want you to carry out some task for those that are eligible. All right, those that are eligible for the airdrop. You remember that some weeks ago, we were told to do some things like that. So look at the first step. The first step there is that you check a particular list. I'm going to drop this full write up in the group. So you check this link, you open this link to see if your GitHub user ID, GitHub ID is among those that are eligible. So we have to open this. All right, you can see list of user IDs. There are thousand. They're about 5,000 plus in total. Okay, I'm coming. They're about 5,700 and 5,379 in total. So you just have to scroll down to look for your name. It is actually written in alphabetical order. It is written in alphabetical order. Although you look at this last set of ones after this Z, you can see some of them are different, but normally it is written in alphabetical order. So if you did not see your name, maybe you are not eligible for this. All right, you can see it's in alphabetical order. So you check. You can see when I scroll after some point it got to X, Y, Z, and it started with what 0 after C. So in case you did not see your name at the top, you can continue scrolling till where you are going to be lucky to see your name. But if after scrolling you did not still find your name, I guess you are not eligible for this. Okay, similarly you can search the page by using this finding page. All right, so I'm going to find my username now. I'm going to find my username. This is my user ID. So you can see that I am not eligible. Well, let's assume my name is DD Organ. You can see it is there. So if you find your username among this list, then you are lucky. You can just proceed with the next step. The next step says click the fork button on the top right corner of this page, at the top right of this page. Now once you find your username on this page, let me scroll to the top. Okay, once you find your username, sorry, it's not this one, it's this one. Once you find your username on this page, so the next thing you do to check your username, actually you click on these 3 lines here. You have to log in. You have to make sure you log in. You can see my username here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this fork here, this fork you see here. So you click on it. Now they said we should click on it. We have clicked on it. Let's look at the next thing there. Edit the newly forked gist. Edit the newly forked gist. Now the newly forked gist among all these ones is what is this C thing here. So you click on view fork. Just click on view fork here, not the person's name. Click on view fork. Now when you click on view fork, you proceed with the next step. They said delete all text, and after delete all text, they said paste in the public ID you generated. Okay, we are still going to generate the public ID. So we are going to edit this fork. How do we edit this fork? It's very simple. Okay, so we are going to generate a public ID. So it's the public ID we generate from this site here. That's what we are going to use in editing this fork gist. So let's open this site. Okay, as you can see, when you open this site, it's going to look like this. You just click on get started. You click on get started, then you drag this blue stuff, you drag it from left to the right, and you hold on it. Make sure you don't remove your finger. If you remove your finger, it will tell you to keep sliding, so you have to continue sliding. So it's going to generate a key and secret key, and you're going to download the JSON file here. You download the JSON file. So when it's completed, I don't want to make the video too long. You can see generating it. You have to make sure this red stuff gets to the end. All right, so it is this key you are going to use, not the secret key. Is this key you are going to paste. You are going to paste here. You're going to paste. I think you have to comment it under this place. I'm not sure, I've not done it. I think you have to comment here. I think that's what you have to do. But if there's an update on that, I will let you guys know. So once you paste it, you will see that it will look like this. Let me open it for you. It will look at someone that did his own. This is his public key. But if there's an update, if that's where you're expected to paste it, I will let you guys know. If that's not where you're supposed to post it, I will let you guys know. All right, so you can see, read the other information that they say public IDs will be collected until TBD, after which you will be providing a new link to check if your GitHub ID was eligible. All right, so make sure you're using the eligible GitHub ID to paste that public key. All right, so keep your private key also and don't lose them. The new link will be shared on Twitter and in their Discord server. So if you miss out on the first collection process, don't worry, we'll do additional collection periods. So a reminder, zk claim process. The zk claim process lets you maintain your privacy. Your Ethereum address cannot be doxed. That's it, guys. So go through all this and I'll see you in the next video.